Hi there, welcome to 615 South Coate Road in Orange, and today I'm going to show you my 4 favorite things about this house. Let's go take a look. So my first favorite thing about this home is the layout. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. One of the bedrooms, the master, is upstairs, but in this kitchen, it is right in the middle of everything. So obviously you've got a huge island, seating for 4, big living room over here, dining room over here, bedrooms back there, entry back there. It is the center of the home, and it's got great feel, and it's obviously just been redone. My second favorite thing about this house is this living room. Also this chair, because it is super comfy, but it kind of goes with the room. Big vaulted ceilings, big space for entertaining. Really a design piece here with this fireplace. And lots of natural light, big ceilings, has a really great feel, and right over eyesight to the kitchen. So my third favorite feature of this home is this laundry room. Not only do you have some nice cabinet space in here, this is actually your direct access to the garage. Comes right on into the dining and then kitchen, but you've got storage, storage, storage. We're so close to the kitchen. This could really be all of your servingware that you don't use as often, and maybe some additional linen storage up here, but really nicely done in a really confined space and right out of the way of everything and all your guests. So I don't know if you have kids, but I do, and when you're making dinner, you kind of want to make sure that homework is being done. So if I could make dinner and have a desk right here for the kids to do their homework, and at the dining room table, 2 separate spaces, so none of this, big win. So that would be my 4th favorite thing about this house. I hope you've enjoyed our tour today of 615 South Coate Road here in Orange. We are in the North Gainsborough neighborhood, Prospect and East Levita, the cross streets basically. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Master suite is the only one upstairs. This home is turnkey. There is nothing left to do. Big flat lot, nice yard, great entertaining home, and did I mention turnkey? For a private tour, call me, David Feldberg, 949-439-6288, and I hope to see you soon.